This is what. Hello.
You said what now? What
This
you
is
said?
playing with Brianna too.
Your message in ano?
I know he said a bad word.
Yeah, you say hello. You
You need to go up.
you take a video because what now daw? Oh, go. We take a video.
On. Question. And it's me. Wow. I'm making a video. This is playing with Brianna too. Bam. This is playing with Brianna too in Flip a Clip. Yes. I didn't take feed to dolls.
Is it? Let's see this.
Dito. Wala. Meron pa. He said okay. I think he's jealous.
Yeah.
Now, Ben, these are my new these are by emoji.
Do you know that my phone has like this?
Yellow. Stop.
Yeah, it's so a different How about in another place?
I'm still a mermaid.
So cute. The baby is so cute.
Hello. Baby.
You also have this movie. You're in the ano. Chen, fine. This is boomerang.
Okay na.
This is boomerang. You move and you move lang. Move. Open mo.
It's so fun. Now I
You
will
have also that boomerang.
ban. Can you ban? These are emojis, but I don't have it in my tab, but I have it in my mom's phone.
But you also have this one, oh. Wow. Oh, it's
Blob.
It's so big. You need to click that, right? To
Share the cigarette. This is so refreshing. I know. Oh, I'm drowning. Do not worry.
You're so fun.
This is the dramatic scene. Bam. These are my new emojis. These are my emojis. This one. My favorite one is this is Google emojis. This is mine. Look, I think Cousin is actually jealous. She just said I'm not jealous.
Oh, really?
But she just had this face. She's definitely jealous.
Yeah. Nakalagay din. You will eat in McDo. Okay? You'll eat in McDo. You're hungry.
Yeah.
You're hungry now?
Yeah, but I have money so I could pay.
No.
That's great. Bam. This is my emojis, but my style. Yeah, do this emoji. Do this one.
Oh, you have your necklace bestie at home. I ordered it.
What next? Okay, next is gonna be. I need to put. I am hiding. Huh? I need to put tons so that you need to request the face. Wait, Chen, I know. If you're done copy and pasting all of them, you could just Okay, Chen, now I'm gonna show you how to make more. First, just next, copy, paste. You're magician. What emoji do you want next? I'm gonna show you the emoji I want next. The emoji I want next is probably this emoji. Wait, I'm gonna do it. I wanna show you it. Now, I'm making it. It's so cute. I like Chen's emojis. Look at Chen's emojis. I just requested her and she...
Just support you, Asaya. As Mr. Little Mr. MCA, right? You will buy a ticket?
Little Mr. MCA.
You will buy a ticket. We buy a ticket for you.
Tika. Yay! What emoji next? Next is emoji. I'm feeling like you already have this one. It's crying. No. I don't have that. But I have this laugh cry. Now I'm creating the real sad emoji. This is
How did you make this?
Emoji.
Can you type it?
Code. These are my emojis. You could just copy and paste.
That's a trick? For example, it's my turn. Try out. Right?
Now,
Oh.
then you just... Okay, Chen. I'm giving Chen requests on... I'm gonna reply to Chen. Then we'll reply.
Diba? You're the winner in the Little Miss MCA.
With the desire, Caleb.
Yeah. Diba last year, who's the winner, Caleb and you?
Yeah.
But when the new Little Miss MCA, you will what? You will also... It's so big.
It's so big.
I'll make it small. What do you want? Macdo o Jollibee?
Not Jollibee.
But what is your favorite in Jollibee? Spaghetti or you want to?
The French fries. I love the gravy in McDo and also the ice cream.
How about in Jollibee? What is your favorite in Jollibee?
Of course, the like chicken burger, but with the patty.
Oh, my.
These are my emojis.
It's now fit. You take a picture. I'll send it to your mom. You should tell your mom that you're wearing mask because she wants you to wear mask because you're in the
I
hospital.
left my suitcase.
Jen, take a video. I take a picture with your best friend.
I left my suitcase. Now I'm making Chen, let's go to the beach. Beep. What is happening? I'm drowning. Chen, where's your floating? I'm invisible.
You're invisible.
I'm invisible. Are you a Christian or an atheist? What is that? It's means it disrespects and it does bad. So are you Christian or an atheist? Christian. Okay. If you're a Christian, do good things. Yippee yippee yay yay.
Ano sa Monday? Yung sa Monday lang yan.
Sa Monday ka pa kagawa?
Kailangan doon ng permit. Isang daw. Kasi bakit daw ng doktor ang function daw niya isa lang.
Oo.
Sa
Sabi ko umigit. Pero dapat
pero sa ilang araw sa 1,000.
1,000. Cute.
Ferndi.
Sabi niya inukas ng vitamins.
Alam mo ba yung Ferndi? Ay yung vitamin D? Ang sabi nga sa akin, ano eh, 3,000 eh. Bakit isa lang sa'yo?
Toy
Hindi ko
Story?
nasabi.
What happened to Toy Story?
Sumasama.
Toy Story.
Sa Lulis daw kasi may fasting ko ito 10 plus.
What is a girl who cried noodles? Here. Mr. Sandman, give me a dream. My hand, bro. This is the pen. Yeah. Now, here. This is her. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Mr. Sandman, give me a dream. What happened? Now, I'm sending this to the group chat. Bam, I have used the random guy who abused the purple ear while green handed feet cats. Look, that's the one. I subscribed. No more brain rot. Why the voice is too fast? Bam, while I made this is Chloe's emoji cat. Bam, you said the phrase is banned.
Inside we see many familiar names. Joyce listed
Wait.
as the director. A cat starring James Hopper Jr.
Bam, this is what you said. The phrase itself is banned.
Ed Wheeler, who is Mike's father, and Henry Creel,
That was the you said.
who is Patty Newby. The last name Newby reminds us of Bob Newby, Joyce's boyfriend, who was tragically killed by a Demogorgon. Patty Newby also appears
I
for the
made
first time
that,
in
Brianna.
The First Shadow and is known for having a romantic relationship with Henry Creel. So could this girl play a crucial role in Henry becoming Vecna? And could this school memory reveal one of Henry's painful moments from his high school relationship? This one girl.
This baby is so cute. Tika 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 tika. And Brianna is still watching shorts while I will watch shorts.
Diba yun your birthday, you go to to Hong Kong Disneyland. Jeremiah will go to Singapore daw. Come on, let's
Look,
Let's go na.
ma'am, look.
Let's go na, Jen.